Welcome to my channel. Epson L3110, L3210, L3250, L3150 red light blinking fix, paper jam ink reset solution. First, check which light is blinking, see if the red light is on the paper icon, ink icon, or both. This tells what the issue is. Second, remove jammed paper, turn off the printer, open the top cover, and check for stuck paper. Remove it gently without tearing. Also check the back side and rollers. Third, fill the ink tanks properly. If ink light is blinking, open the tank cover and refill the empty ink, black, cyan, magenta, yellow. Close the cover properly. Fourth, reset using printer buttons. Turn the printer on, then press and hold the stop/reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release it and wait for the printer to reset. Fifth, download Epson Reset Tool. Download the Epson adjustment program for your printer model, L3110, L3210, L3150, or L3250, and open the adjprog.exe file. Sixth, select your printer and port, choose your printer model and click Auto Selection for the port. Then click Particular Adjustment Mode. Seventh, open Waste Ink Pad Counter. Click on the Waste Ink Pad Counter option and press OK to open the reset settings. Eighth, reset the ink pad counter. Tick both checkboxes, Main Pad and Platen Pad, click Check, then click Initialize. When asked, turn off the printer. Ninth, turn printer back on. After reset, switch on the printer again. The red blinking light should be gone now. 10th, clean or replace the ink pad, optional, if the problem comes again, clean or replace the waste ink pad at the bottom or connect a pipe to send ink to a bottle. Thank you for watching.